How to install NordLayer on Linux. This guide will show you how to set up NordLayer application on Linux-based operating systems. 1. Download the repository package. 2. In terminal, go to the directory where you have downloaded the package, and run these commands, debian commands, sudo apt-get install /NordLayer latest _1.0.0 all.deb. rhel commands, sudo yum install /NordLayer latest 1.0.0 norge.rpm3. Update your package lists, debian commands, sudo apt-get update rhel commands, sudo yum make cache 4. Install the application from your package manager, debian commands, sudo apt-get install NordLayer rhel commands, sudo yum install NordLayer 5. Add your user to the application group. The application runs on its own system user and group, so only members of the group have permission to use it. Sudo usermod ag NordLayer $woami. Note that this change will only take effect at the next login, so login again or reboot. That's it. For more information or technical assistance, please contact NordLayer customer support team.